Hello, hello, hello. Here we are again. We're going to do ear training again. On this one, okay, we're going to do 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Woo! And I got that beat going. So I might skip around and then I might do a chromatic thing. Now remember chromatic? It's going up each step on the piano, okay? And there's semitones on the piano, darling, darling, darling. Okay, so here, oh, she makes the boo-boo. Here we go. So remember 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Woo! 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Jumping. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Head voice. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Little bit. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Woo! I can't help it. I love it. Now remember, when you're doing things like this, you want to move. You want to get it in your head, but you also move with your body. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. So dance around. It makes you feel so good. Don't be stagnant. Also, if you don't have time at home, do it in the car, honey. Okay, I'm always saying, do your exercises, work your voice, work the ear. Keep everything going because you need to. You have to. You love it. So do I. Love what you do what you love. Okay, guys, subscribe and ring that bell. And these exercises are things that my singing group, Singing for a Lifetime, does. We have so much fun. Every Thursday we meet. I make different exercises. And this is one, I think we're going to do it this week. I think because I love the groove with it. It's so much fun. And I'll jump around. That'll keep them moving. All right, guys, guess what it is?